for the Holidays, a little book about the different holidays that bring us together. A literally cultured read aloud. Written by Craig Manning and illustrated by Ernie Kwiat. We all have traditions we celebrate each year, with family and friends that fill you with cheer. With such joy in your home, your heart starts to soar. There are so many things to be grateful for. It's about time with family and those you love most, in a place you belong where you're always held close. It's the things that you do and the laughter you share when being together with people who care. It's a feeling of lightness and brightness and good that shines through your heart and your whole neighborhood. It's knowing that kindness and hope are the spark to bring joy to the world and light up the dark. It's about being grateful for all that we share, for all our family and friends, no matter where. This time of the year, we know that it's true. We are thankful for all of the love that shines through. And what about gifts? They're part of it too, but not just the presents given to you. It's giving to others or doing nice things, and the smiles that your love and company brings. The holiday season's about playing together and having good fun no matter the weather. It's taking the time to make memories that last, though the days spent with friends may go by too fast. It's being with loved ones from near and from far who send their best wishes wherever they are. You can still keep in touch with those far away and remember the people who aren't here today. It's what's in your heart, being merry and bright, and the way that you share it each day and each night. It's the spirit of joy and knowing it's real, just from the way all the holidays feel. It's music and sound, played quiet or loud on drums or guitars or sung with a crowd. The traditions bring us together, we know, and we'll only find new ones to add as we grow. As the year ends, celebrate all that we've done, but when a new one begins, there'll be even more fun. So many tomorrows and new things to do. Where will you go? You know it's all up to you. It's a time to be kind to whoever you meet, to those in your town or those down the street, to family and neighbors and friends you have found. Spread your good wishes to those all around. And if there's one big thing the holidays teach, if there's one single lesson we want you to reach, it's letting love guide you wherever you go, and the peace you can feel from letting it show. Our holidays may differ in meaning and name, but the things that we cherish are often the same. There's a truth we all know wherever we roam. At this time of year, there's no place like home. Wishing you all joy, peace, and love.